Hello, guys. I'm Chaudhary, founder of Mr. Misu. So, if you need a tiramisu, you know where to come in Mumbai to Mr. Misu in Bandra. So, I just graduated 8 months back. I was doing my hospitality in Switzerland and La Roche. I always wanted to do something in hospitality. I always had a passion of cooking. Since when I was a kid, I wanted to do something out of the box. So as soon as I graduated, I thought of it like, what should I open? And I really like tiramisu as a dessert. And I was doing my market research and I found out that tiramisu has a lot of potential and why not? It deserves a place of its own identity. That's how Mr. Misu was created. Just a small thought that has come into reality, and that's how the journey has begun, and a lot more to come. So, as of now, we've completed 4 months today of Mr. Misu, and I think first was identifying the right location, probably which would have a product tiramisu. So, there's something about these lanes of Bandra where people like to come, walk, and open something new. So that's how the first challenge that I faced was finding a right location. After going through various locations, I came across this location, which was perfectly right, the Chapel Road near Baroda. So this village has a great vibe because it attracts people who would love to eat the dessert like tiramisu. And probably on a lazy Sunday, you would walk here and you just need like a dessert perfectly like tiramisu. So I think the challenge also than that is having the right team. I feel more than the product, also what's really important, having the right people. And a great team can lead you far and a bad team, I don't know. So I think, yeah, overall, few challenges that I faced was finding the right team, the location, and developing the right dessert because India has a big sweet tooth. So having the perfect amount of sugar, having balanced desserts, that's what makes everyone crave our tiramisu. We are the first brand which is just specialized in tiramisu. So we don't only have one type of tiramisu, we have different flavors of this. So we have a pistachio tiramisu, we have a Nutella tiramisu, we have a salted caramel tiramisu. So our specialty is the classic, but then we've also developed tiramisus for all palates. Some may not prefer just coffee, so we have a sweeter version, Nutella. Some would like a nutty one, so we have a pistachio tiramisu. So we have a tiramisu for everyone. So what makes us different from others is the way we do our craft. Every day, each tiramisu is made with love and perfection. So I was doing hospitality from Switzerland, from La Roche, where I was there for 4 years. And over the course of 4 years, I did 2 internships. I worked in Portugal in a fine dine Italian restaurant where I learned the craft of making a perfect tiramisu. So from there, I was guided through a Michelin star chef Federico, who taught me to make the perfect tiramisu. So from there, I'm getting the taste of Italian chef Misu Mumbai. And from there, we got the taste. And that's the taste we want to spread throughout the whole city. So we have tiramisu, of course. Then we also have these tiramisu bites, basically which are small size tiramisu bites with mascarpone and a ganache dip. Then we also have a tiramisu on the top latte, where we make our in-house coffee and put a piece of tiramisu on it. So it's a both eat and a drink element. So we have all different products revolving around the flavor of tiramisu, like the coffee and mascarpone. So it's a cute little space for everyone craving good coffee, tiramisu. So the qualities I look for hiring the staff is, first of all, you should be very hospitable. You should know what a customer would want before they speak. And more than that, it should be that you should always be smiling, welcoming enough to greet the customers. All these small things that really matter. So basically someone who could feel the business is equally his as it's mine. So that personal touch really matters in an employee. So that's what I look for a staff. So according to me, hospitality is making someone feel at home. They're coming to you, they're coming with a mindset to have a good time. And that's the main part is to make them feel like home. When you visit a cafe, it's just the experience you see as a consumer. But when you're running a cafe, there is a lot more to it. It has daily production, a lots of planning, execution, a lots of practicing your recipes, and it involves a lots of hard work. More than that, it also involves a lot of passion. Hospitality, other than that, it's not a very business that you could just do for the money. It's more than it. It's about the passion you have for food or being in this industry. So I feel if you don't have it from the within, you can't do the craft really well. But if you really like hospitality and it's within you, so you would love what you do. That's how I feel is the right way to be in this industry and grow. Main difference between visiting and running a cafe is when you visit a cafe, you're just going there for a time for experience. But when you're running the cafe, it's how the customer would feel, these small things, how you can provide the best experience to the customer, the right staff, the right product, the right sourcing. So all these small things should be intact. Like you to make sure your inventory is full, you have change to give to the consumers, you have good music, good AC, Wi-Fi is always working. Like these small things matter a lot. So we've had the guests who have been coming daily since our cafe is open. So only thing what we do is we make them feel like home. So if a guest is coming to us, he's just not there for trying a product. More than that, he's there because he feels like home. And we try our best to provide a good experience. And we do small things like give them a rose or give them a small gift or a small discount from our side to maintain that bond, because there are thousands of cafes around. But if a guest is coming to you again and again, that means there is something special about your cafe, and you have to make them feel special too. So it's a two-way relationship. I really see it expanding all over India, and also then moving out of India. So in the next 5 years, I have a vision to open a lot more outlets, starting from the tier 1 cities, then going to the tier 2 cities, then going international, starting with Dubai or some other destinations, because I feel Tiramisu is a worldwide product and it has a lot of potential. And specifically now, people are really loving and showing love to this product. And this is very new for Mumbai as a whole cafe based on just one star product, which is Tiramisu. All the new cities in India has potential for this dessert. So we have this 5-year expansion program, and we're opening our another outlet very shortly in the coming 10 days. So we started in Bandra, we're going to Juhu, then we're going to go to the South Bombay, and then we have a big plan. The soul of the cafe is a place where you feel loved and you get the best tiramisu in the city. As we come to the end, I would really like to thank Indian Hospitality Magazine, and for them to do this, take the initiative to grow and spread awareness about restaurants amongst the upcoming generation of India. And my message for them is always to believe in yourself and do whatever you feel like is right. Don't overthink, just go for it. And in life, you will only gonna learn. And when you're doing something new, you might be scared. But when you trust yourself and trust God, things will work in your favor. So don't be scared, just do it. And always have faith in yourself and trust God's plan.